Hi, I'm Alex Davies at Snow Joe, and today we are unboxing the 48-volt cordless lawn mower from Sunjoe. To start, you take the main part of the handle and lock these gears here into place. Just want to connect them and clamp down. Adjust how high you want the handle by doing one of these three notches. Okay, so you want to line this up to pop the screws into place. Take the washer and take the other handle that you have here. So once you have the bolts and washer in place, you twist this on and fold it in. So you're locked and ready to go. Just attach the cord clips. So you want to just pop the cord into place like that, and then pop the clip on like so. Take the handle to the bag and snap it into place. Lift up the handle in the back and attach the bag just like that. To adjust the height on your mower, you can use the 6-position height adjuster. So you go from 1 to 6, plug in your 24-volt batteries, and take the key and plug it in. Pick it up, and we can turn it on by just taking the handlebars. So you want to press down on the handle button here, and then you press any of the 4 buttons underneath to get started. Now that you're all set up to mow with Joe, you can save some gas and kick some grass.